The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify a minimum wire bending radius for conductors larger than number 8 American wire gauge, or AUG. However, Underwriter's Laboratory Standard UL 486 covers the construction, installation, and testing of electrical wire. Section 401.3 of UL 486 specifies the minimum bending radius for conductors. According to UL 486A, a 500 mcm conductor has a minimum bending radius of 18 inches. Some manufacturers may specify a smaller minimum bending radius for their specific wire products, so always consult the manufacturer's instructions. NEC Section 110.14 requires electrical equipment to be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner. A sharp bend and damage to the wire insulation would likely be considered a violation of this section. NEC Section 312.6. They require sufficient bending space in panel boards. A contractor may have violated this section by not providing adequate space for the wire to bend smoothly. While the NEC does not explicitly address minimum wire bending radius for conductors larger than number 8 AWG, Underwriter's Laboratory Standard UL 486 provides guidelines. In this case, a contractor may have violated UL 486 by bending a 500 mcm wire with a radius of less than 18 inches. Additionally, a sharp bend and damage to the insulation may violate NEC sections 110.14 and 312.6. It is essential to consult both the NEC and UL standards, as well as the manufacturer's instructions, to ensure proper wire installation and safety.